Good morning. My name is Valentina Layton, and the subject I am going to talk about is how the textile industry generates pollution. What is pollution? We can define it as the introduction of affluent materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. What happens in the industry of textile? The industry of textiles is the second mass pollutant planet after the oil company. Making this requires about 7,500 liters of water, the equivalent of the amount of that vital liquid that an average person drinks in 7 years. On that, data indicates that the clothing sector the 90 billion cubic meters of water each year, a volume sufficient to meet the needs of 5 million people. Every year, the industry throws half a million tons of microfiber equivalent to 30 million barrels of the oil in the sea. If continue working with the current business focus, the polluting gas emissions of the industries will increase almost 30% by 2030. The fashion industry is responsible for 20% of total water was the global. Fast fashion. Fast fashion, which is defined as the way to provide new trends in fashion in short cycles, is the most polluting trending in this moment. Brands such as Zara, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Mango, and Gap continue to use chemicals for the development of their garments without presenting changes for the empowerment of the environment. We change it? Choose to buy less new clothes, buy second hand. It can also involve adapting and reusing clothes or the quick new piece in our closet or exchange clothes with friends. We call us up to change our clothes like vintage or trended. The only way to truly make the fashion industry sustainable is to end the culture of waste. Make that through or ask for less purchase of demand the big brands join the projects carried out by the ONU and Greenpeace one at textile production low contaminants. Change in consumption pattern strong measures choose a better care of clothes and recycling and return programs. We could help the greenhouse gas emission production with the fashion industry. Thank you.